33 kitchen major appliances. Air fryer, blender, bread machine, coffee grinder, coffee maker, combi oven, cooktop, deep fryer, dishwasher, electric kettle, food processor, food scale, freezer, garbage disposal, ice cream maker, ice maker, juicer, kettle, microwave, mixer or hand mixer, oven, pressure cooker, range, range hood, refrigerator or fridge, rice cooker, slow cooker, sous vide machine, stand mixer, stovetop, toaster, waffle iron, water dispenser. Well, there you have it. 33 kitchen major appliances. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fun and informative videos. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you next time.